Good morning students. Now we will see the allosomal disorder. What are this allosomal disorder? Allosomes are the sex chromosomes, as we have seen, which carry genes responsible for sexual characteristics and as such have a significant role in the determination of sex. Means by this only we can say that particular individual is either male or female. Suppose if the XX is there, then the individual will be female, and if the XY allosomes are there, then the individual will be the male. Now in this, what happens? Inherited disorders which are related to sex chromosomes are called as allosomal disorders. Examples of allosomal disorders are as follows. First is Klinefelter syndrome, second Turner syndrome. Now, which are the types of allosomal disorder is there? That is, first is X-linked, dominant, second X-linked recessive, and third is Y-linked. X-linked dominant means on the X chromosome if the disease is expressed and if the genes from parents to pass to the child, any one gene on the X chromosome is responsible. X-linked recessive means on both the X, if it is expressed, then only the particular disease is expressed. Y-linked means only the gene of disease is present on Y chromosome. That's why it is known as Y-linked. X-linked dominant means the gene for this it is present on both the X. X-linked recessive, here the genes they are passing, means both the genes from the parents they are passing from parents to the next generation, and here if the any one gene it is passed, then the disease expression can takes place. Now next category is mitochondrial disorder. It is a disorder caused by mutation or changes in either mitochondrial DNA or nuclear DNA. If there is mutation in the genes that code for mitochondrial proteins, decreased ATP production leads to energy failure of the cell and eventually to the organ. These are only passed on from mother since mitochondria is absent in a spermatozoa. Frequency of this mitochondrial disorder is 1 in 4,000. That means in 4,000, one individual had the chance to get such type of mitochondrial disorder. Now what are the example? Now differences, examples of the mitochondria we will see in the next slide. What are the differences between the autosomal disorder and the allosome disorder? Autosomal, this arises by gene mutation in autosomal chromosome. Allosomal, this arises by gene mutation in sex chromosome, mainly X chromosome. In autosomal they affect both the sexes, that is male and female, whereas in allosomal they affect more males than females. The mutated gene can be dominant or recessive in autosomal. The mutated gene is recessive in allosomal. The sufferer is homozygous or heterozygous, example Down syndrome and sickle cell anemia, and the sufferer, that is the individual, is hemizygous, example Klinefelter syndrome. So I hope this topic is clear to you, that is the allosomal disorder, which are the categories of allosomal disorder, examples, and what is the difference between the autosomal and allosomal disorder.